So this was with the past participle and with these adjectives available and possible. Add other adjectives. Okay, now a bit more, okay? A bit more content. So there are some types of sentences called cleft sentences. Parisudou's favorite.
Yes.
Right? So these sentences are more advanced. They are like B2, C1, okay? And they are used to give emphasis. Remember, you know emphasis?
Yes.
Yes. So you can change the order of things in the sentence, and it has this preparatory it in the beginning. It. A preparatory it. It's just an it that you need to use it, but it has no meaning. Sometimes you have this in English, right? Okay, so here, for example, you have this simple sentence, Gregor saw us. Gregor saw us, okay? Then you want to give an emphasis to say, you want to say that it was Gregor, not someone else. You want to put emphasis on the fact that it was Gregor, okay? Then you can use a cleft sentence like this. It was Gregor who saw us. And then here you use a relative clause, you see, to do this cleft sentence. You need to use relative clauses for this. It was Gregor, so now it becomes like, because now Gregor is not the subject anymore, right?
Yeah.
You cannot say Gregor saw us, because Gregor over here is the complement of this subject it, right? Remember? If you have the verb to be, then this is a complement, right? Complement of the subject it. So now this verb saw us, you cannot say Gregor saw us. You cannot add a verb to the complement or object just like that. Okay? There are ways of doing that. We can use some participles, some infinitives. But here, in this case, you use a relative clause. You see? It was Gregor who saw us. You understand? Or alcohol caused the accident. You want to put emphasis on alcohol? It's alcohol that caused the accident. You can say it is, or maybe even better might be it was. It was alcohol that caused the accident.
Which part is emphasis?
So you're giving emphasis on alcohol.
Already alcohol.
Yes, alcohol caused the accident, okay? But now you want to emphasize that it was alcohol, not the food, or not the phone, or not the music, or not the light. You understand? Or not the car. You understand? There are many things that could cause the accident. So you're saying alcohol caused the accident. Okay, but if you want to give emphasis on the alcohol, not something else, then you can say it was the alcohol that caused the accident.
Okay, this sentence is not enough for emphasis.
Yes, you want to give emphasis. Do you understand?
Can I reduce it?
Reduce it?
Use identity.
It was alcohol. Here you cannot reduce this because that caused is active voice. So you cannot use a you mean present participle? It was alcohol causing the accident. No. It was alcohol causing the accident. If it's present continuous in the relative clause, it sounds okay to me. It was alcohol causing the accident. Yeah. that caused the accident. It was alcohol causing the accident. I think it's okay. I think it's okay.
But the context is different. Yes?
Huh?
It was alcohol causing the. It's like it is still like it is talking about event, but it like it was accident causing the. It was alcohol causing the accident. It's like they are talking in general senses, not about event.
Yeah.
Not about any specific event.
Yeah, I think if it was like a habit in the past, then it's okay. Or if it was a present continuous used in the relative clause, then it's okay. But if it's a one-time thing, I think you cannot say with the present participle. You see? Present participle, either continuous or simple or past, which is the case over here, but it must express a habit. Okay? So if there were many accidents for a period of time, and now you want to say that it was because of the alcohol, then you can say it was alcohol causing those accidents. Yes, you can do that. You can do that, okay? But in this case, like cause the accident, like one case, then no. Okay? So these are cleft sentences. So here, just as an example of cleft sentence, we're not studying cleft sentences, okay? Cleft sentence, for example, you can emphasize different things. Like you want to emphasize that it was the accident. Alcohol caused the accident, not something else. For example, then it was the accident, or it is the accident that was caused by the alcohol, or just alcohol in general, by alcohol. It is the accident that was caused by the alcohol, by alcohol. It is the accident. It was the accident that was caused by the alcohol. You understand? You are giving emphasis on the accident, not something else. Especially when people have doubt about something, whether it was one thing or the other, you can use this to give the emphasis and remove the doubt. Okay? Later we discuss cleft sentences. Okay? Okay. Now